Attention all dropshippers, are you ready to kick your online store to the next level? You're probably tired from the same old types of website designs that look like this. They might work, but they're boring and uninspiring. But what if I told you that you could use the help of AI to make your store look like this? That's right, with the power of AI, you can create a dropshipping website design that not only looks stunning, but also give a seamless user experience that'll keep your customers coming back for more. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding genius or spending any money to make it happen. So grab a drink and get ready to take your online store design to the next level. Let's do this. The AI tool that we're going to use today is called Midjourney, and it's going to help us generate some professional-looking graphics designs for the store. And for those of you who don't know what Midjourney is, it's a powerful design tool that uses AI algorithms to create beautiful designs in seconds. Alright, step number 1. Go to midjourney.ai and click on Join the Beta to sign up for an invite to the Midjourney Discord server. Once you confirm your invite, you'll gain access to the Midjourney Discord server, where we'll generate some professional-looking graphics designs for your store. And this is what it's going to look like. Inside the server, you'll see several channels, including one for newbies. This is where you'll generate your designs. Before we jump to step number 2, I want to let you know that there is an option to upgrade to Midjourney's premium plan. However, as I mentioned earlier, we'll be using the free version. The free version still offers a range of powerful features, so don't worry about missing out. Now that you're in the Midjourney Discord server, let's move on to step number 2, getting a picture of your product. To do this, head over to AliExpress and type in your product name in the search bar. If you're not sure what to sell, feel free to check out the winning products that I shared in my last video. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And for me, this is one of the winning products that I like. Once you've found a good picture of your product, right-click on it and select Copy Image Address. This will give us the URL of the product image, which we'll need later when we start creating our graphics in Midjourney. Step number 3, where the magic happens. Head back to the Midjourney Discord server and open up the newbies channel and type in /imagine, followed by the URL of the product image that you copied earlier. To give Midjourney some guidance, add some prompt keywords such as high-quality, beautiful website design landing page for a Shark Slippers brand, very detailed, ocean color, summer vibes, and don't forget to add UI, UX, e-commerce to make sure the design is of the right size and quality. Also add these parameters, --R322, V4, Q2, stylize 1000. Now sit back and watch Midjourney works its AI magic. Within seconds, you'll have an amazing design that perfectly captures the essence of your product. And the best part, you can customize the design by tweaking the colors, fonts, and layouts until you're happy with the final result. It's that easy. And this is what I got. And here's the best part. Not only do you get the design you asked for, but you'll also get 9 more options to choose from. And if you want to create even more versions, simply use the U parameter to scale the image to full resolution, and the V parameter to create up to 4 more versions. So, as you can see, this is the final result. It may not look perfect, but don't worry, I'm just showing you the basics, and you can get way more better results. The key is to get creative with it, and add some detailed keywords to make it really pop. By doing so, you'll be able to achieve the exact look and design that you're looking for. So, get started and have fun with it. And congratulations! You've just learned how to take your online store design to the next level with the help of AI. No more boring and generic website templates. Now you can create professional looking and unique designs in just a few easy steps with the Midjourney tool. But wait, there's more. If you're interested in learning how to take your design and build it into a real Shopify store, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful in your ecom journey. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest videos. And see you in the next one.